towards Karwar and then onwards to Murudeshwar. So let me see where the board is asking me to go. There's too many cuts. Okay, so left goes to Vasco and Old Goa, and straight is Margao, South Goa. So we entered through Panjim, which is north, and we are exiting Goa through Vasco and going towards Gokarna, then Karwar, and then Murudeshwar. NS66. It's not really raining in Goa, but overall the weather is very pleasant. However, it's very humid, 28 degrees है बाहर. But नज़ारे आप फिर से वही देखो NS66 वाले. दोनों तरफ, both on the left and on the right, it's गोवा. बहुत ज़्यादा रश तो मुझे नहीं मिला, बट ओवरऑल जो ढाबे वगैरह में लोग हैं वो कह रहे हैं अभी भी गोवा में भीड़ है, बिकॉज पीपल हैव कम हियर टू एक्सपीरियंस मॉनसून्स. और ऑफ सीज़न है तो रेट्स काफ़ी रीजनेबल और इकोनॉमिकल होते हैं. वी आर नॉट स्टॉपिंग एट गोवा बिकॉज वी हैव बीन टू गोवा क्वाइट मेनी टाइम्स एंड द इंटेंट इज टू एंजॉय द हाईवे एंड द रोड्स टिल नॉर्थ कर्नाटका. Look at this new flyover, I believe. 5 years back when we had come, I don't think this was there, I don't remember. However, that time we had come from Bangalore, through Bangalore, Udupi and then to Goa. But this time we are coming from Ratnagiri, so entering North Goa. So मेरे लिए तो first time है I am driving on this particular stretch of Goa. Side, if you see camera the wide angle is not able to take right now, but it's plantation, coconut plantation and dense forest. It's so beautiful. और बीच बीच में कहीं पे छोटे छोटे घर हैं, मंदिर है और churches भी हैं on both sides. The landscape typically is similar on both sides. रोड मुझे तो नया लग रहा है क्योंकि अभी अगर आप देखोगे तो आपको दिखेगा कि some of these mountains, rocky mountains have been cut to make way for this highway NH66. That's it for now. I'll keep you posted. Okay, so it's 5 in the evening right now. We have just crossed Goa through the outer ring road on NH66 and we are still on NH66. It's a very well laid 2-lane national highway, one side up, one side down. We are heading towards Karwar, which is another 49 kilometers from this point and another 140 kilometers to Murudeshwar. Just look at the roads, as if God took some special time out to carve out this place on earth, especially in Maharashtra during monsoons. Due to the continuous rain, you can see that on both sides of the road there are green curtains in form of trees. I have not seen this kind of greenery in a long time. It's extremely beautiful and scenic. But then there are these rumble strips, although they are not very steep, but yeah, they are quite rough. Just look at the scenery. Karwar straight and then Cancuna, which is again South Goa. I'm sure we are crossing through a reserve forest. कौन सा रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट है मुझे पता नहीं है, मैप देखना पड़ेगा. बट वी आर ऑन NH66. Maybe I can check if this is a reserve forest on my other mobile. नहीं, अदर मोबाइल में भी शो नहीं कर रहा है. वाइंडिंग रोड्स थ्रू foothills of like I said Sahyadri mountains. Even if you don't do the entire NH66 stretch, if you are based out of Bangalore, then you can do a Bangalore Goa trip. If you are based out of Mumbai, then you can do a Mumbai Goa trip to NH66, or probably you can go till Gokarna, Karwar, Murudeshwar and Bangalore to enjoy the beauty of the nature during monsoons. And obviously that will only happen if you have time, if you love driving, and you would want to drive during the monsoon.